Yo, so we on our way to go look at the house. They get an update. We should be done, and we're closing on the 10th. So yeah, we're gonna make our way over to the house, and then we'll get some more shots. Any words? Any words? Huh? All right, we'll catch y'all at the house.
I'll go up and down magnetically.
Magnetic.
The way your HVAC system works is you have a damper system, so there's 3 thermostats. You have a thermostat in this room, a thermostat in the hallway, and a thermostat in the master bedroom. So this thermostat controls this zone of the home, the middle one controls the living room, and your master bedroom controls your master bedroom temperature.
Oh, yeah, then I might have to take this one for my gaming room.
Yeah, that's what I would do. Some features in your bath 3. So the left is always hot for your water. So
Left is always hot?
Yep, left is hot, right's cold. All of your toilets are soft closing, so they don't slam down. So they're all soft closing when you close them.
Oh yeah.
And then your toilet paper holder's right there. It's real easy to
Hopefully.
change it.
Oh yeah.
And then your guest bed. So I think all of your bedrooms have your air filters. So you have to change these. So
Oh,
one up
these?
here. Yep. Yeah, I think you should have one. Nope. So then your other guest bedroom in the hallway,
Okay.
and then your master bedroom.
This will be a gaming room. This will be sense.
Like this one? Oh yeah. I know the tile boxes. I
So
don't know
we
if
give
you.
you guys extra tile.
Oh, you leave them? Okay.
So you guys get warranty tile. And we just leave them there for you in that closet.
Oh, and I got
For the garage, right?
Yeah. What?
1, 2, 3, 4 outlets in here. All right, this might be the gaming room.
So your
Access to
water-
another bathroom.
What I would do today is so this here.
So here's the garage.
You scan this, and it pulls up the app, and then it kicks off and download that. So it gives you all the information. So the paint stuff, all the tile color, the paint color.
Oh, for the washer and dryer.
Yep. So just electric for washer and dryer. And here's a coat closet. So you guys have more storage for stuff in here.
Plenty of storage. And here's the living room kitchen. I know she was saying she wanted to do like a backdrop or even change.
Change the cabinets.
Yeah.
So what?
After a few years.
After moving, yeah, it's down the road.
I'm not gonna always that. It's still new.
Yep. So in your kitchen, underneath here, you have your outlets. So you guys have outlets up here.
Oh, that's cool. It's hidden.
Oh,
Your gas
outlets
range.
underneath.
So it's real easy to just turn the gas on like that. So I don't know if you guys have gas currently, but it's real easy to just do that, and gas is running through the home. So just be careful of that. You guys have an outlet here.
Right there.
We go over all the warranty stuff next week. So I have a whole template out here.
We got a big old pantry.
If you guys want to drop additional lights in your kitchen, that's what these caps are for. So these are all, so you just take the caps off and then you can connect them. They're called panel lights.
We even got a brand new fridge.
Trade it in. I know that's what a lot of people do. They get a.
Show you what in? Oh, the fridge.
So living room's here. So you can put a fan there. So that's one of those.
Yeah, that
panel
one.
lights. Yep, you'll twist it off. This is probably where you put your TV. This is the media wall. What this is here is a Smurf tube. So if you hang your TV, you put the wires through this tube, and there's literally a tube behind the wall that goes to down here. So it's like a clean look with no wires hanging out of your TV.
That's what I was about to ask what that was.
Exactly, yeah. Yep. So there's a string in there, you tie them to, and you pull it down. So, and then you probably want to get a little entertainment.
Oh yeah, I feel the string too. Yeah.
Yep.
I like that. Yeah, we'll mount it instead of having a big old TV stand.
That's what, yeah, that's, it makes it clean too.
Yeah.
Nothing's back there. So master bedroom, the only other room that has the media wall, just like that. So if you guys want to put a TV in there too, you'll hang it there. So same deal. So your bed will probably go on this side. You guys said all these upside down outlets, they're called half hop outlets. So with the electric, two switches aren't going to work. One's for the power to the fan, the other one's to the light, and the last one is for that outlet. So that powers that outlet, this switch. So a lot of people put like a lamp there.
Okay.
They can turn the lamp on like this. On the other side, you guys have a USB charge outlet there.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yep, and then a port for if you guys want to hard line into your internet. So the Wi-Fi is very good, but if you guys want to add put a desktop here or something, you can add a line there.
I don't know. She might add a desktop in here because I have my gaming room.
Your gaming room. Gotta do it.
Yeah, and then the shower. Oh.
So walk-in shower. If you turn the water on in there, you can go ahead and turn it on, boss. The one thing I always say with my homeowners is that shower head, it's a slow fill shower head. So it slowly fills to full pressure.
Oh, and then goes.
And then go. So a lot of people, they switch them out. I mean, I would, if it was me. That's what I do with mine. But just for future reference, if you guys leave it, that's how it works.
Okay.
It's slow fill and then it slowly drains as well.
They didn't put the, how do you call that?
What?
So it's silicone.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so you can just kind of see it's not, they don't use white caulking or the same color caulk, it's just a clear silicone between the panels.
Make sure it's off. So the hotel shower was like this.
But I hope that they put a,
What's that?
I
Put
just
what?
hope that they put a, like
Huh?
Your faucet?
yeah, at the bottom.
Oh,
For what? For what?
It will be hard to clean, like, it doesn't have
Clean what?
a shower. You need a hose.
You can clean that without that.
Yeah, saying that the other one's gonna clean.
See the drawers.
It's nice.
Okay, knees.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. All white?
Look at that. The toilet is separated in there so you don't stink up the bedroom. And there's the backyard. It's a huge. So what landscapers do people normally use, like if they do like turf and stuff?
So I have a guy, it's just a random landscaper. You know, you guys can look up landscape companies. A lot of people do pavers and then do gravel around the side of the turf.
Mm-hmm.
They'll do like a strip in the middle of turf and then walk around that. Dude, if it was me, I know everything's over expensive right now. I do the most basic type of landscaping.
Yeah.
Gravel and then maybe and then turf. That's it. But if you guys need somebody, I have a guy. I can shoot you his number.
Okay.
And then, yeah, he'd be able to give you a little quote. I think the way he does his business is you guys just purchase all the material and then pay him for the labor. So it makes it whatever you guys want to do.
I think that will be cheaper.
That's exactly
Yeah.
what people use him.
But that will be a lot of work.
Exactly.
Buying
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, that's, you always have to get delivered here.
If you have a truck.
Yeah. But Other features in here. So dining room in there, you put a table in here, your dining room.
Oh, dishwasher.
Yeah, all the features in here.
Oh, it doesn't have the what do they call it? The grinder.
For disposal? Yeah, it's on
Yeah.
the side.
Oh, okay. I've always been used to it being up here.
Up there, right? Yeah. No, it's under the sink.
That's a long.
But there's your disposal switch.
And you have two little gauges on here, so that's power. You put that on, and then you have that.
Okay.
This is
I think the pantry. I have your side. I have my side.
what you gotta put on the side.
All my snacks for the gaming room. What you mean?
I told you.
She likes those.
The upgraded fridge. Yeah, that's it.
That one and the one that has like the buttons you can touch on the outside.
All the sensors.
Yeah, she likes that one.
That's nice.
Oh, we didn't show this. So this is the laundry room.
In there, same features as the other one.
It's all electric for the laundry. All right. So we just finished the walkthrough. And what I didn't get on camera was the electrical outlet is already installed for the car, so we don't got to get that installed. So now we just pull in a charge. Ain't that right? You happy? Like the house? Oh, tell everybody how happy you are. Show the blush. Show the blush. Yeah, just want to do a little walkthrough for the house. Close next week. Maybe then I'll show the electrical outlet. But yeah, that's it. That's the house. We're gonna move in and slowly but surely. Adios.